Let's learn how you can create a sticker in Telegram. Before starting the video, I want you to guys to watch this video till the end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you're trying it for yourself. So first of all, you have to open your Telegram app. Now you have to click on this search icon in a top right corner. After that, you have to search sticker, and now you will see a bot sticker. You have to click on it. But to create a sticker in this bot is very difficult. So that I found a application to create a bot very easily. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store, and after that you have to install this app, and now open it. After that you have to select a image. For selecting an image, you have to simply click on this plus icon in a top right corner. After that, first of all, you have to add your pack name. Now you have to click on create. Now you have to click on this plus icon to add an image for creating a sticker. Let's say I want to add an image from gallery. After that you have to select the image. Now as you can see, I am selecting an image. So first, after selecting an image, first step is to click on this magic button. And now the background of this image is automatically removed by this app. Now you have to click on next, and after that you will have an interface like this. So here you have to click on this border option, and now you have to choose a option in this. So let's say I want to choose a medium border, and as you can see, border was added in this sticker. And after that you have to add a text. If you want to add some text in this sticker, so you have to simply click on this option, and now you can add any text. In this case, I don't want to add any text. So after that my sticker was created, and now you have to simply click on next. As you can see, if you want any emoji to add in this sticker, so you can add. Let's say I want to add this red heart emoji. After that you have to click on this done button, and your sticker was created. And now if you want to share this sticker in your Telegram app, so for that you have to simply click on export to Telegram, and now your Telegram was open. And after that you have to simply click on this your sticker pack name, and now as you can see, you will have an interface like this. So here you have to simply click on add sticker, and that's how you can create any image to sticker in your Telegram app in a very easy way. So guys, if you find this video helpful, so please subscribe and like my video.